I'm Jeremiah Fox. I'm a carpenter and handyman out here in New York City. Types of house siding. If you're doing a repair and remodeling project, you're adding on to your existing home, and you're going to want the outside to match the rest of your house. And that brings us to house sidings, which, as you notice just looking around houses around the world, there's 1,000 different styles. So the first thing to do is to figure out what type of siding you have and try and replicate that as much as possible. House sidings typically run the gamut from wooden clapboard and wooden shingles, often cedar, to stone, to stucco, to various steel and vinyl treatments. For wood siding options, you have the ever-popular cedar shingles. Redwood is very popular for just normal clapboard, and on the market now are a lot of synthetic wood options that don't chop down the trees, use recycled materials, and can be a little bit more durable. Cedar and redwood have a wonderful natural look, are easy to work with, and very durable. They keep the elements out, and in the case of redwood, is very resistant against insects and bugs. For houses with stone and brick on the front, you can also replace those and add those onto your remodeling projects. You can, if you have a lot of money, you can get real bricks, which last forever, and real stone, which is pretty much impervious to anything. But if you're on a smaller budget, both styles of stone and brick come in veneers, which are only a couple inches thick, much cheaper, and still relatively durable. For houses covered with stucco, small repairs are really easy. You just need a little bit of cement patch, mix it up, slap it on there, paint over it, and it's done. For larger projects, it's going to be a little bit trickier, though they do have many synthetic stuccos on the market now that you can use. Another popular choice these days is aluminum or vinyl siding, which has been prefabricated and molded to look like wood. So if you don't want to use real wood on your house because you have weather issues, you can use vinyl siding or aluminum siding that looks just like the wood once it's painted. They last longer than wood and don't rot.